Hello friends, here on this video how to remove hard disks on your from your CPU. So friends, before we remove this hard disk, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. But first, here you are found this small nuts. You have to remove this one, okay, from the hard disk on the back side. From there, after that only you have to remove like this easily, and it will remove. And from even you can remove this one also, the small that has been connected. If you don't know how to remove, then you have to do with care. Okay, you have to pull out like this. After you pull out, here its hard disk has been done or finished to open. So friends, this is how you can remove your hard disk from your CPU. And friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. And friends, if you want to insert this SSD on your CPU, then it's same method, only just you need to insert the small wire here, and the big wire, the white color in here you have to insert, and the small one black here you have to insert. The same thing only. Okay. And if you want to remove this SSD, it's the same thing like the hard drive. You can remove easily like this only. Okay, so friends, thanks for watching. Hope you love this video. Bye.